Hey, what's going on, guys? So today on the channel, we're going to be quickly talking about iOS 16.3.1. So overall, this is a pretty minor update, just a few bug fixes and security things that were addressed here. We just, of course, had iOS 16.3 a few weeks ago, so this is just addressing a few things they kind of missed or found since that last update. So as far as bug fixes go, the first one here is to do with your iCloud settings. So if you go into your settings on your phone and then you go into iCloud, of course, there was an issue where iCloud settings may be unresponsive or incorrectly display whether or not certain apps are using iCloud. So obviously you can go in and toggle different applications whether you want them to use the cloud. Well, there's a problem where that may be displayed inaccurately. And then as far as the unresponsive different things going on, it seems like a lot of people are having issues with their iCloud backups. So all those should be fixed now as well. The next thing here has to do with Siri. So there was a problem where if you ask Siri for Find My related request, they would not work. So if you ask Siri to find one of your devices, it could possibly not work. So that should be fixed. And then finally, the last bug fix here has to do with crash detection on the new iPhone 14 models. Apple is continuing to optimize the crash detection so it's not giving off any false alarms. But other than those three bug fixes, that's basically everything that has been changed. The only other things to talk about would be the security updates. So we can scroll down here on Apple's security support page and we can go in here and we can see what has been changed. Now this of course also applies to iPadOS 16.3.1, and actually this time around there's only two issues that were fixed. So there's one for the kernel and then there's one for the WebKit. And that is basically it. So pretty minor update overall, not a lot to really talk about here, which is a good thing, but they went ahead and addressed a couple more issues and fixed a few things that I guess came up after iOS 16.3 was released. It's also important to note that they updated all of the other Apple softwares as well. So as you can see on the 6th, we actually got a tvOS update, so 16.3.1. And then after that, the updates that came out along with iOS 16.3.1, we had a watchOS update, another tvOS update. So tvOS is actually now ahead of all the other updates, which is interesting. It's .2 instead of .1. Ventura update, and then a new version of Safari for 16.3. So yeah, that is basically everything, guys. Just a real simple quick update here today. Thanks for watching the channel, and I will catch you all in the next one.